Thanks for tuning in to BZB TV. My name is Florante. In today's fast-paced business world, seamless presentations and efficient collaboration are key. Introducing the BG-UHD-KVM41-KIT, a game-changing solution for businesses seeking unparalleled control and connectivity. This unit empowers you to effortlessly manage multiple computers controlling up to 4 devices using just one keyboard, one mouse, and one monitor. This kit here is powered by the 4x1 HDMI 2.0 KVM switch, supports jaw-dropping 4K resolutions at 60 Hz. Enhancing your presentation experience, the included BG-SC-GRHU table grommets enable distant PC control and connection, allowing users to seamlessly switch sources and even blank their screens at the push of a button. Let's delve into its capabilities. With 4 HDMI video inputs and 1 output, along with USB 3.0 host ports and audio de-embedding via a 3.5mm jack, this kit provides comprehensive control and connectivity. Moreover, compatibility with Windows, Mac, Linux ensures maximum flexibility and inclusivity. Front panel buttons, RS-232 commands, and the BG-SC-GRHU table grommets put control at your fingertips. This unit here isn't just hardware. It's about ensuring your setup remains relevant as technology evolves. The BG-UHD-KVM41-KIT future-proofs your conference room, fostering seamless collaboration among diverse users. Experience the power of control and connectivity with the BG-UHD-KVM41-KIT. Elevate your presentations, streamline your workflow, and embrace a world of digital experiences. Learn more and modernize your conference room setup today. For more info on this amazing product and to supercharge your conference room capabilities, visit our website, bzbgear.com, where you can speak or chat with our team online. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, BZB TV, where we will continue to provide insight in the AV and broadcasting world and also feature amazing products from our catalog. So make sure you tune in. We appreciate you all for giving us a watch. We'll catch you on the next episode.